In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a salary slip in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open your Excel workbook. Once you're in, prepare your sample data first. In this example, the sample information is placed in cells A1 through B8. Setting up the data clearly at the beginning makes the rest of the process much easier because your formulas will have a clean structure to work with. This also helps you avoid mistakes later when calculating totals. Next, we'll calculate the gross salary. Click on cell B6, then type an equal sign, followed by the sum function. After that, enter the range B3 to B4 inside parentheses and press enter. Excel will immediately add those values together and display the employee's gross salary. This step is useful because the sum function is one of the fastest and most reliable ways to total earnings in a worksheet, especially when you're building a salary slip that may eventually include more income components. After that, calculate the net salary. Click on cell B7, then type an equal sign followed by B6. Then a minus sign, and then B5. Press enter. Excel will subtract the deduction amount from the gross salary and return the net salary. In simple terms, this gives you the final amount the employee should receive after deductions have been applied. Once the calculations are complete, it's time to format the salary slip so it looks professional and easy to read. Start by making the headings and total rows bold. This helps the important sections stand out right away. Then add borders to the table and adjust the column widths so the text and numbers fit neatly. Finally, apply either the currency or accounting number format to the salary amounts. This makes the figures look more polished and easier to understand at a glance. Now take a moment to view the result. At this stage, your salary slip should clearly show the employee's earnings, deductions, gross salary, and net salary in an organized layout. A clean presentation is important, especially if the sheet will be shared, printed, or reused as a template. If needed, you can also modify the salary slip. You may add more employee details such as employee ID, department, position, pay period, or payment date. You can also insert more earnings rows for items like bonus, overtime, or commission, and then update the sum formula accordingly. If there are additional deductions, add those rows as well and update the net salary formula or total the deductions, first using sum before subtracting them, and that's it.